Sexy ah. Yung bubog na po.
Nagtatago, Brad eh.
Angelina Jolie.
Ano, Brad?
Ito maligot.
Gender is more often than not used synonymously in player drama. Here's something for you, creative. And second, include gender includes dance,
Ito na.
opera, martial arts, spectacle.
Tatago eh.
And gender is playing either that are meant to be murdered in, but not to be performed on stage. Gender equals to make up stage props and lights providing added dimension to the gender goers experience. So gender, that's gender. So any questions now?
Nan.
Ma'am, for that reason, the reading of plays at best is only approximate mention of such an experience physically.
Yes, please. How can we get an idea in the romantic experience? That's a difficult but nice question. Well, in that case, an understanding of
Layo na. Makita.
understanding of life may be gained from dramatic meanings or acting out of experience. Or when mommy sings, we have to leave it to accent. That means you. So, love your class. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So for now, let me show you some pictures of recycling. So from that picture, one is now class, what can you say about now class, what can you say about the
Taka na layo.
what can you say about the